Bradford's kitchens are so much more than trade kitchens. Whilst we retain a strong connection with our building and our contract customers, our kitchens offer styles and options that most independent kitchen suppliers cannot match. The products available alongside the long-standing design team who provide detailed planning and constant project updates is an overall service that will deliver the project of your dreams and bring your house to life. It's an ideal choice for all, a complete one-stop shop if needed, including fully assembled units, laminate worktops and all major branded appliances, made to order and delivered direct, fully backed up with a 10-year guarantee on all our assembled units, so quality is always at the top of our mind.
A lot of the help we can provide to customers and builders is obviously from the beginning our product knowledge. We can provide them with the plans, we can provide them with any kind of technical know-how they need, because we've got a lot of years of experience, so we can guide them through every step from start to finish.
Working with the Bradfords team, especially Yeovil, who we use, is absolutely no problem at all, very helpful. We never get problems with supplies, or if something's wrong, it's always put right. Excellent, I would say.
The CAD design offering we do is completely free right the way through. We can then get them a free quote, but more importantly, I think it does help them get a visualization of what they're going to be getting. It helps them know that they're going to be guided towards their dream kitchen, and we can cover all aspects of that, from worktops to appliances right the way through to completion.
The design process we use with the CAD is very helpful. The team always do us a good job in designing the kitchen, and it's really important for the customer to see the drawings, because they can't always visualize what things are going to look like.
When new ranges come out, we try and make sure all the showrooms and the availability is there for customers to see the options, see them in situ, so they can get an idea of what they're going to be getting in their homes.
Symphony and Bradfords are committed to achieving net zero carbon by 2050. We use 100% recycled material on 7 of our door styles. A further 11 door styles are made with 92% recycled material. We're not just a builder's merchant, we're open to trade and retail, and all our showrooms are based down the southwest, so come and see us and let us complete your dream kitchen.